Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Kawasaki Ninja 650. This twin-cylinder sport bike just arrived with only 9,900 miles. It's got a smoke windscreen, fender eliminator, brand new tires, really cool metallic sparkle black finish. Come on by and make your mid-size sport bike dreams come true for only $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.